let me show you how to integrate Jotform with your favorite automation tools. So follow me to my desktop to show you how right now. Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect with your favorite automation tools here on Jotform with an integration. The idea here is that you can integrate forms, apps, workflows, and much more here on Jotform, so you can automate this into even further steps. That way, the sky's the limit. So let me go ahead and show you. This is my main dashboard, and the first thing you want to do is head on over to the integrations menu, see more integrations, and there's a category here on the left that says automations. You'll be able to see all the available automation tools here on Jotform that you can start connecting your forms, workflows, Jotform sign, and much more into these automations to expand the reach and potential of your projects. So for example, you can connect with IFTTT, with Zapier, Avado, PipeDream, and much more. Go ahead and click on more integrations, and there's way more available like Tiny Email, Pabbly Connect, Mautic, and there's so many of these automation tools that you can start connecting right here. These will work as a bridge with Jotform and other applications. So if the integration is not available directly in Jotform, you might find it in one of these automation tools. So for example, if I go ahead and select Zapier, I'll be able to see all the available things that I can do here in Zapier. So I can connect to over 3,000 platforms that are external to Jotform to make the integration. So it's super easy to do. Now, if you want to integrate this right now, go ahead and click on Add to Form, and you'll be able to integrate directly into a new form. You can create a brand new form, select the form, or use a template. I can go ahead and select the form that I want to use. I'll use this one for testing purposes. And the idea here is that we are already located in the settings section, integrators option, and I have previously selected Zapier. So I can now connect Zapier with Jotform to connect with other tools. And that way I can take this form, for example, to the next level. So it's super easy to integrate. Just go ahead and select integrations, select the automation tool that you want to use, Zapier, Pabbly Connect, Make, etc., and go ahead and start automating right now. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, build your forms, workflows, Jotform signs, and much more to start automating right now. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the automation tools available and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that is a wrap.